Jai Srimanarayana. 40th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pardha Naiveha Namutra Vinasaha तस्य विद्यते न हि कल्याणकृत् कश्चित् दुर्गतिम् तात गच्छति। ओम Understand that Sri Krishna Paramatma unconditionally confirming that there will be no loss in the present life or in the next life for the one who does sincerely engages themselves in performing yoga, that is Atma Dhyanam and Paramatma Dhyanam, and does good, and not worrying about the discontinuation of the Atma Dhyanam in the later stage. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, ho Srimanarayana, I shall engage myself in Atma Dhyanam and Paramatma Dhyanam and do good, not worrying about the discontinuation of that in later stage. Ho Krishna, ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, ho Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము, 10th స్కంధ, 12th day. When Kamsa was about to kill his own sister Devaki Devi, then Vasudeva saying to Kamsa like this, "O Kamsa, you have born in this great Bhoja dynasty and you have such a great fame. Everyone appreciates your wonderful qualities. Such a great person you are. How come sakatham bhaginim hanyat striyam budvaha parvani? How can you kill one girl, that too your own sister? and that too just now she got married. అన్నవు నీవు చెల్లెలికిన్ అక్కట మాడలు సీరలిచ్చుటో మన్నన సేయుటో మధుర మంజుల భాషలనాదరించుటో చంపకుమన్న మాని రావన్న సహింపుమన్న తగదన్న వధింపకుమన్న వేడెదన్. హో కంసా, in general any brother gives some wealth, some ornaments, some gifts, some clothes to the sister, and also brother comforts his own sister with sweet words. That is how sister needs to be treated by brother. But here you are trying to kill your own sister. You please do not do that just by carrying some words which were heard from wind. You should not be doing this. I am requesting you. And now you may say that, how can I not get scared from the death? Yes. Mrityuhu janma vatam veera dehena sahajayate. If you say like that, what I would say is, just by killing your own sister, thinking that you can skip, you can get rid of the death, is such a stupidity. You cannot do that. You cannot get rid of death. And also, O Kamsa, by birth itself, as and how we are getting this body, along with this body, the death also is born. To swallow this body, death is also taking birth along with this body. You should know that. Like that, Vasudeva saying to Kamsa. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 40th sloka. Pardhanaiveha namutra vinasastasya vidyate nahi kalyana krut kaschit durgatim tata gacchati. Pardhanaiveha namutra vinasastasya vidyate nahi kalyana krut kaschit durgatim tata gacchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.